Bangalore around 120. There are many more being reported with massive explosion and explosion. So we are waiting for the reports which are coming from